Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to start painting. Firstly, choose your medium. There are several painting mediums. Pick one that interests you from acrylics, watercolors, oils, or gouache. The simple way, acrylics or watercolors if you're a beginner. Now, gather basic supplies like paints, brushes, canvas, palette for mixing colors, water, and rags or paper towels for cleaning. Practice fundamental techniques for your medium like acrylics, layering, blending, dry brushing, and washes. Every 10 for 15 minutes a day practicing strokes can improve your skills quickly. Now begin with small paintings or sketches. Focus on simple subjects like still life, landscapes, abstract shapes. Small projects reduce pressure and allow for faster learning. Study paintings by other artists to try to replicate small elements. Observe how colors interact, brushes technique, and composition and lighting. You'll learn a lot by analyzing others' work. Now, mistakes are normal and part of learning. Acrylics can be painted over, watercolors can be layered, and oils can be blended. Treat every painting as practice. Now, consistency is key. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day helps you improve faster, long, irregular lessons. And find online groups, local art clubs, or social media communities sharing your work, and getting feedback accelerates learning and keeps you motivated. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.